Okay, now we already discussed seventh group element. Now today we discuss that group 16 element. So it is also very important chapter. Of course, in every group the first topic is electronic configuration. Now here also same thing. First one is electronic configuration. Here elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and then polonium. So sixth group element, this group 16 is also called sixth group element. Its electronic configuration is NH2 NP4, that means outermost 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Its IUPAC group is 16th group. This sixth group element is also called chalcogens. Sometime it is also called sulfur group also. Now first write electronic configuration. Now what is the sixth group element electronic configuration? Now its electronic configuration is electronic configuration. What is its electronic configuration? Now electronic configuration. Its electronic configuration is NH2 NP4. Its electronic configuration is NH2 NP4. That means outermost 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Its elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and then polonium. Zero group elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, then xenon. Helium atomic number is 2, neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon is 54. Now its electronic configuration is here 2s2 2p4, here 3s2 3p4, here 3d10 4s2 4p4, it is 4d10 5s2 5p4, this is 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p4. Now its atomic numbers are 2 to 4 plus 4 8, here 10 12 16, this is 18 28 30 34, 36 46 48 52, it is 52, 54 68 54 68 88 54 68 78 80 84. This is the electronic configuration of this sixth group element. Here the first element is oxygen, that's why it is also called oxygen family. Sometime it is also called sulfur family also. That means this sixth group element is also called chalcogens. This sixth group element is also called chalcogens. Now after that, here atomic radius. What is the meaning of this atomic radius? Atomic radius means, next atomic radius. What is the meaning of this atomic radius? Atomic radius. So atomic radius here in this one from hydrogen to from oxygen to polonium, from top to bottom atomic number are increases, from top to bottom atomic number are increases. Here atomic weight also increases from top to bottom. When atomic number increase, here atomic number is increase, atomic weight also increase, atomic weight also increase. That means the differentiating electrons enters into next higher energy cell, suggesting it has less predominant beyond of sulfur, suggesting it has less predominant beyond of sulfur. This is due to screening effect by inner d orbital. This is due to screening effect by inner d orbital. Inner d orbital. This is atomic radius. What is the atomic radius? From top to bottom atomic number are increases 8, 16, 34, 52, 84. From top to bottom atomic number are increases, atomic weight also increases. That means the differentiating electrons enters into next higher energy cell, suggesting it has less predominant beyond of sulfur. This is due to screening effect by inner d orbital. This is due to screening effect by inner d orbital. After that, physical states. What is the physical state? Now at the same time, physical state. Physical state. Here physical state, here oxygen is a gas. Oxygen is a gas, while other elements are solid. Other elements are solid. Oxygen is a gas, while other elements are solid. This is physical state. That means that here melting point, boiling point, top to bottom are increases. Next, melting point, boiling point. Melting point, top to bottom are increases. Here boiling point is also top to bottom are increases. Top to bottom are increases. So this is what is atomic radius. From top to bottom atomic number are increases. From top to bottom atomic number are increases. When atomic number increase, atomic weight also increase. This is due to the differentiating electrons enters into next higher energy cell, suggesting it has less predominant beyond of sulfur. Physical state. Oxygen is the gas, while other elements are solid. Melting point top to bottom are increases. Boiling point also top to bottom are increases. So this is now after this, now next one, oxidation state. What is its oxidation state? Generally its oxidation states are depend upon what happen its electronic configuration. That means oxygen oxidation states are in peroxide oxygen oxidation state is -1. Then sulfur other element oxidation states are from so many oxidation state. That means oxygen is from OF2 and O2F2. O2F2 in +1, OF2 in -1. So that means oxidation state. Next topic is goes to oxidation state. Oxidation state. Here oxidation state means these oxidation states are depend upon that depend upon electronic configuration in the here. So in oxygen OF2 is the +1 oxidation state, O2F2 is the +1 oxidation state, and OF2 is the -1 oxidation state. O2F2 is the +1 oxidation state, OF2 is the -1 oxidation state. But 6th group element oxidation states are other elements are -2, +2, +4, +6. This -2 are called common oxidation state. This common depend upon 0 group element electronic configuration. That's why this is NH2 NP4 minus NH2 Np6 that equal to -2. These -2 are called common oxidation state. Simply common oxidation states are depend upon 0 group element electronic configuration. So that's why O2F2 is the +1 oxidation state, OF2 is the -1 oxidation state. Other element oxidation states are -2, +2, +4, +6. That -2 are called common oxidation state, while other means it depend upon electronic configuration. So for example, this is NH2NP4. This is NH2NP4. Now what is 6th group element electronic configuration? It is NH2NP4. Okay. Now this is in the ground state. This is in the ground state. In S it contain 1, 2. In P contain 3 orbitals, 4 electron. Here 2 unpaired electron is there. That's why it undergoes sp3 hybridization and it undergoes +2 oxidation state. Now in the first excitation state, we discuss in the first, this paired electron enters in that side. That's why what happen is it contain 1, 2 and P contain 1, 2, 3 and D contain 1. So it contain what is the hybridization? sp3d. It is +4 oxidation state. Now second excitation state, it is only 1, P contain 1, 2, 3 and D contain 5 orbitals, 2 electrons. So that's why it is sp3d2. sp3d2. So it undergoes sp3d2. It is +6 oxidation state. Now this is oxidation state. What is the oxidation state? Oxygen oxidation states are, in the O2F2 is the +1 oxidation state, OF2 is the -1 oxidation state. Now other element oxidation states are depend upon that electronic configuration. That means that is -2, +2, +4, +6. That -2 are called common oxidation state. That common oxidation states are depend upon 0 group element electronic configuration. Other oxidation states are in the ground state, only 2 unpaired electron is there. That's why that is +2 oxidation state. In the first excitation state, 4 unpaired electron. That's why it undergoes +4 oxidation state. And second excitation state, 6 unpaired electron. That's why it undergoes +6 oxidation state. Now in case +2 that is sp3, +4 that is sp3d, +6 that is sp3d2. So this is oxidation states of this compound. After that one, oxy acids of sulfur. These oxy acids of sulfurs are basically following types. Next topic is goes to oxy acids of sulfur. These oxy acids of sulfurs are basically following types. Oxy acids of sulfur. Oxy acids of sulfur. So these oxy acids of sulfurs are basically following type. That means these are basically 4 types. That is one, sulfurous, sulfuric and thionic peroxy acids. Now what are these 3 type? Nothing but first one, sulfurous. These are 4 type. Then first A contain sulfurous, and B contain sulfuric, and then C and sulfurous, sulfuric, C contain thionic acid series, thionic thionic acid series, and D contain peroxy acid series. D contain peroxy acid series. Peroxy acid series. Now, so in this one, sulfurous contain 4 types. Now let us we discuss one by one. Then first one, sulfurous. That sulfurous acid series. So basically these are 4 types. That is one, sulfurous. First one, sulfurous. First one is sulfurous. In its formula is H2SO3. This is sulfurous. Second one is thiosulfurous. Its formula is H2S2O2. Its formula is H2S2O2. This is thiosulfurous. Third one is dithionous, H2S2O4. H2S2O4. This is dithionous. And fourth one is peroxysulfurous, that is H2S2O5. H2S2O5. This is peroxysulfurous. Now we discuss one by one. Now among these oxy acids of sulfur all undergoes sp3 hybridization only. All undergoes sp3 hybridization, but all undergoes sp3 hybridization. Its shape of the molecule is maximum tetrahedral. Its shape of the molecule is maximum contain tetrahedral shape only. Now first let us we discuss one, that is H2SO3. This is sulfurous. First we find oxidation states of this sulfur. So 2 into 1 plus x plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 0, 2 plus x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to 4. So that's why here x equal to 4. Its oxidation state is 4. Now to how to draw this structure? These contain tautomeric structures are formed. These contain tautomeric structures are possible. This H2SO3. How to draw this structure? Yes, it contain one OH. It is also one OH. This is double bond O. This is lone pair. That means sixth group element contain like this. What happened? This sixth group contain its electronic configuration is NH2NP. Its electronic configuration is its electronic configuration is NH2NP4. That's why S contain 1, 2 and P contain 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why 2 lone pair, 2 bond pair. So that all undergoes sp3 hybridization only. All undergoes sp3 hybridization. All oxy acids undergoes 2OH. 2OH, that means 2 basicity. All undergoes 2OH, that's why 2 basicity. Simply depend basicity or depend upon OH group. Basicity or depend upon OH groups. Next one, that means this H2SO3 is formed, tautomeric structure is possible. Tautomeric structure is possible in this H2SO3. So what is the next one? after this one H2S2O2. Second one is H2S2O2. Its name is thiosulfurous. Its name is thiosulfurous acid. When 2 sulfur is there, that's why it is also called thio. When 2 sulfur is there, that is thio. How to draw this structure? In this one, first we find oxidation state. So how to find this oxidation state? This is basically 2 into 1 plus 2x plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. 2 plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. 2x now 2x minus 2 equal to 0, 2x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Is nothing but what happened? 1. Basically what happened? Sulfur oxidation states are minus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. We already discussed in the previous topic. So that's why it is not undergoes. So its oxidation state is formed. In this one, sulfur oxidation state is minus 2. Sulfur oxidation state is minus 2. That's why you have to write like this. H2S so that's why you have to write like this. H2O2S then S. Now you have to find these oxidation states of sulfur. So one of the sulfur undergoes minus 2 oxidation state. That's why 2 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So what happened? 2 minus 4 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to what happened? 4. Now in this one oxidation state is minus 2 comma plus 4. Sulfur oxidation state is minus 2 and plus 4. So that means in this structure p pi d pi bonds are possible. That how to p pi d pi bonds are possible? Nothing but this is sulfur. Okay. Now this one is double bond S. So this is what happened? 1 OH. It is also 1 OH. Okay. This is lone pair of electrons. So now in this one, this sulfur undergoes minus 2 oxidation state. One of the sulfur undergoes minus 2 oxidation state. It is also what happened? sp3 hybridations. It is also sp3 hybridations. It is also tetrahedral shape. Then 2 OH. That's why 2 basicity are formed. That's why 2 OH is there. That's why 2 basicities are formed. Simply basicity are depend upon OH group and p pi d pi bonds between sulfur and sulfur. P pi d pi bonds are formed between sulfur and sulfur. P pi d pi bonds are formed between sulfur and sulfur. This is what happened? Thiosulfurous acid. After this thiosulfurous acid, the next one is H2S2O4. That is dithionic acid. What is the dithionic acid? Now let us we discuss dithionic. Now what is the meaning of this dithionic acid? This formula is H2S2O4. Third one H2S2O4. Of course first we find oxidation state. So in this structure is basically like this. Yes, this is double bond S, double bond S, oh sorry it is also wrong. So its structure is S, double bond O, OH, lone pair. This is H2S2O4. Now this is left hand side. What is the formula? HSO2. You have to find oxidation state here. 1 plus x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Now right hand side also same thing, HSO2 same thing, X equal to 3, its average oxidation state equal to 3 plus 3 by 2 equal to 6 by 2, that equal to 3. That's why here oxidation state sulfur is 3. Here oxidation state of sulfur is what happened? 3. So in this one also 2OH is there. Here also 2OH. In case 2OH is there, that what happened? 2 basicity. All these oxyates of sulfur undergoes what happened? All these oxyates of sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization. Now here also 2OH is there. The 2OH is there, that nothing but 2 basicities. Simply basicity are depend upon OH group. Next after that, what is that? Pyrosulfuric acid. So that pyrosulfuric acid formula is H2S2O5. So what is the meaning of H2S2O5? That is pyrosulfuric acid. Now pyrosulfuric acid, that pyrosulfuric acid formula is H2S2O5. So how to do that fourth one? H2S2O5, H2S2O5. First we find oxidation states of this one. Here pyro nothing but double bond oxygen is there. Now what is the oxidation states of this one? So now we have to find Inca structure is yes, oxygen, yes, double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond. This is OH. It is OH. It is wrong. It is wrong. Due to what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is wrong. So what is the pyro oxidation state? Now this is yes, yes. This is yes. Here this is 1 OH. It is 1 OH. This is double bond. This is double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond paired electrons. Now what is the oxidation states here? HSO3. HSO3. Now 1 plus X minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to what happened? 5. Here oxidation state is 5. Now what is the right hand oxidation state? This is right hand. HSO2. 1 plus X minus 4. X equal to 3. Average oxidation state 5 plus 3 by 2 equal to 4. That is 4 are called average oxidation state. So this is sulfurous acid. Now these sulfuric acids are again 3 types. These thiosulfuric acid are 2 type. This is also 2 type. So we already discussed what happened, sulfurous acid. Next goes to sulfuric acid. Now what is the sulfuric acid? Next one is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid series. These sulfuric acid series are basically 3 type. These sulfuric acid series are basically 3 type. That is one sulfuric acid, thiosulfuric acid, what is pyrosulfuric acid. These are 3 type. That is one. Then first one sulfuric, its formula is H2SO4. This is sulfuric. This is sulfuric. Second one is thiosulfuric, H2S2O3. This is thiosulfuric. And third one is pyrosulfuric. That pyrosulfuric formula is H2S2O7. H2S2O7. This is pyrosulfuric. Now let us we discuss one by one. First one H2SO4. H2SO4. First find oxidation state. 2 into 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. X equal to 6. Its structure is S, OH, double bond O, double bond O. So this is pyrosulfuric acid. Here 2 p pi d pi bonds. 2 p pi d pi bonds. here p pi d pi, two p pi d pi bonds are present between sulfur and oxygen. So this is sulfurous. What is the thiosulfurous? Its thiosulfurous is H2 S2O3. Next one is H2 S2O3. Second one thiosulfurous H2 S2O3. Its name is thiosulfurous. If thio there, that oxidation states are common, -2. That's why this structure is S, this is double bond S, this is OH, double bond. Sorry, this is double bond. So what happened? This is H2 S2O3. So this sulfur undergoes what is -2 oxidation state. So that's why what happened? H2 SO3. This is one of the sulfur is -2. That's why 2 into 1 x minus 6 minus 2 equal to 0. These two get cancelled. X equal to 6. That's why its oxidation state is -2 and +6. -2 and +6. Next one what happened? Pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid formula is H2S2O7. H2S2O7. Now this is pyro. Third one is H2S2O7. Now basically what happened? It is 2 into 1 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0, 2x minus 12 equal to 0, 2x equal to 12, x equal to 6. Here pyro is there. What is the structure? Yes. Oxygen. Yes. Double bond, OH. So H2 S2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This sulfur oxygen sulfur bonds are present in this group. Here also same thing, sp3 hybridization. It is also tetrahedral shape. It is also 2 basicity. Simply basicity are depend upon OH group. So of course what happened? All these oxy-acids of chalcogens undergoes 2 OH only. That's why 2 basicity only, right? So this is what happened? Sulfuric. After this sulfuric, thionic acid series. These thionic acid series are 2 type. That is one dithionic and polythionic. This thionic acid series, C1 is thionic acid. Thionic acid series. These are 2 types. That is one dithionic and polythionic. One dithionic and second one is polythionic. So this, what is the dithionic formula? Its dithionic formula H2S2O6. It is H2S2O6. That poly nothing but same thing, but here X is formed. That nothing but H2XO6. So this is thionic acid series. So these are 2 type, dithionic, polythionic. So dithionic formula is H2S2O6, polythionic is same H2 SXO6. Now let us dithionic. It's H2S2O6. Okay. Now 2 into 1 plus 2x minus 12 equal to 0, 2x minus 10 equal to 0, x equal to 10 by 2, that equal to 5. So what is its structure? Its structure is yes, dithionic is there. Now this is what happened? This is yes, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, OH, OH, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is dithionic acid. Now you have to find this is left side. So what is the formula? HSO3. Here also HSO3. 1 plus x minus 6, x equal to 5. Here 1 plus x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to 5. Average. Average equal to 5 plus 5 by 2 equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. This is dithionic acid. So this dithionic acid, it has 2 p-pi bonds are present in each sulfur atom. 2 p-pi bonds are present in each sulfur atom. The next one, polythionic. It's polythionic also same thing, but this is the structure of polythionic. Polythionic. It is also same thing, but structure is S, S, N, S, double bond O, double bond O, OH, OH, double bond O, double bond O. This is, it is also plus 6 oxidation state. That means sulfur is the highest oxidation state is plus 6. Sulfur is the highest oxidation state is plus 6. This is polythionic acid. Thionic acid series, these are two types, dithionic and polythionic. Dithionic means 2 sulfur. Dithionic means 2 sulfur. Polythionic means more than 2 sulfur. That's why SX, SN. Next one, peroxysulfuric acid. These peroxy acid series are again two types. That is one, Caronus and Marshall. Peroxysulfuric acid. So last one is peroxysulfuric acid. D series. Peroxy acid series. Acid series. These are two types. That is one, Caronus, and second one is Marshall. This Caronus nothing but peroxy monosulfuric acid. Caronus nothing but peroxy monosulfuric acid. Peroxy monosulfuric acid. And second one is Marshall acid. Marshall. Second one is Marshall acid. Its formula is H2S2O8. H2S2O8. Peroxy monosulfuric acid 2, 3, 4, 5. Its formula is H2SO5. H2SO5. Now let us we discuss first one. What happened? H2SO5. H2SO5. This is 2 into 1 plus x minus 10 equal to 0. X equal to 8. So it is 8 oxidation state is there. So this is 8 oxidation state belongs to wrong. Due to what happened? 6th group element oxidation states are from 6. If 6th group element oxidation states are from 6 or less than 6, but not from more than 6, that's why it is what happened? It is wrong. So in this one, peroxy bonds are there. Peroxy bond. How to calculate that peroxy bond? Now say like this: H2, S, O3, O2. This is peroxy. Now find oxidation state. 2 into 1 plus x plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 0. So these two get cancelled. X minus 6 equal to 0, then x equal to what happened? 6. Due to sulfur oxidation states are from 6 or less than 6, but not from more than 6. If more than 6 is there, so what happened? You have to calculate that peroxy bonds. So how to draw the structure of this structure? Yes, we already told each sulfur contain what happened? 2 OH. So this is one OH, this is another OH. Double bond O, double bond O. This is peroxy. This is peroxy bond. That peroxy bonds are present. Peroxy bonds are present in this peroxy monosulfuric acid. The next one, Marshall. So what is the Marshall formula? Second one is Marshall. This is last one in this one. H2S2O8. Now for example, this Marshall acid has nothing but peroxide disulfuric acid. It is also called peroxide disulfuric acid. Peroxy disulfuric. Peroxy disulfuric acid. So what happened? Yes, this is what is the oxidation state? 2 into 1 plus 2x minus 16 equal to 0, 2x minus 14 equal to 0, 2x equal to 14, x equal to 7. So just now we already told what happened. This is 6th group element. That 6th group element oxidation state form only 6 or less than 6, but not form more than 6. Here more than 6 is there. That's why what happened? Wrong. So what happened? You have to find peroxy bond like that. So how to find that peroxy bond? So this formula H2 S2 O6 O2. This is peroxy bond. Now what happened? Now find oxidation state. 2 into 1 plus 2x plus 6 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 0. These two get cancelled. 2x minus 12 equal to 0, 2x equal to 12, x equal to 12 by 2, that nothing but 6. So how to draw the structure of this one? Yes, oxygen, oxygen, yes, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, OH, OH. Okay, this is peroxy bond. So this is PP bond, peroxy bond, peroxy bond. Now peroxy bond oxidation state what happened? -1. Peroxy bond oxidation state is -1. This is oxy acids of chalcogens. So these oxy acids of chalcogens are basically 4 types. That is one, sulfurous, sulfuric, thionic, peroxy. So I will give a good technique for this one. So how to remember for this all contain 4? So I will give a good technique. So for example, this is there are 4 type, that is sulfurous, sulfuric, thionic, peroxy. So just I will give a good technique for this one. This is section A, section A, section B, section C, section D. This is now this sulfurous, this is S group, this is IC group, this is thionic, thionic, this is peroxy, this is peroxy. So there are 4, take one column, 2, 3, 4. This is only 2, 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2. This also 1, 2. Now you have to remember what happened. This is 3. H2SO3. After 3, this is 4. H2SO4. 3, 4, this is gap, leave it. This is 5. H2SO5. Okay. Sulfurous, sulfuric, peroxy. Now this is 2 number is there. That way all contain 2's. H2, S2, O2. This is 2 after 3. H2, S2, O3. 3 after 4. H2, S2, O4. After 4, 5. H2, S2, O5. These 2 column are 6 column. H2, S2, O6. This is H2, SX, O6. This is 7. H2, S2, O7. This is 8. H2, S2, O8. This is oxy acids of sulfur. 3, 4, gap 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sulfurous, thiosulfurous, pyrosulfurous, sulfurous. This is sulfurous, sulfurous, thiosulfurous, dithionous, dithionous, pyrosulfurous, sulfuric, thiosulfuric, dithionic. peroxysulfuric, thionic, dithionic, polythionic, Caronus, Marcel. All these oxides of sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization. All undergoes 2OH. All undergoes 2OH. 2OH means OH are depend upon basicity. That means in case OH group is there, that depend upon basicity. That depend upon what happen? Basicity or depend upon OH group. Basicity or depend upon OH group. This is oxy acids of sulfur. So what I discussed first in this topic, what happened? First we already discussed what happened? Oxy acids of 6th group element. 6th group element electronic configuration is NH2NP4. That means outermost 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Here elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Here the first element is oxygen, that's why that are called oxygen family. So what I discussed, just I will show this. So first one, electronic configuration. What is its electronic configuration? So oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Here the first element is oxygen, that is oxygen family. Sometime it is also called what happened? Sometime it is also called sulfur family also. Its electronic configuration is NH2NP4. Outermost 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Its IUPAC group is 16th group elements. This 6th group element is also called chalcogen family. This 6th group element also called chalcogen family. Atomic radius. What is the definition of atomic radius? Atomic radius means from top to bottom atomic number are increases. From top to bottom atomic number are increases. 8, 16, 32 like that. So atomic number increases. Atomic weight also increases from top to bottom. That's why the differentiating electrons enters into next higher energy cell, suggesting it has less predominant bond of sulfur. This is due to screening effect by inner d orbital. Melting point top to bottom increase. Boiling point is also top to bottom increase. Physical state, oxygen is the gas while other elements are solid. After this, okay, so after this one what happened? We all, so this is after this oxidation state we already discussed. This oxidation state nothing but what happened? Its common oxidation states are oxygen oxidation states are +1 and -1. So how to that common oxidation states are +1 and -2. So this is oxides of sulfur. Right. So that oxides of sulfurs are basically how many type? That is OF2, O2F2 is the +1 and O2F2 is the -1. So what is its oxidation state? We already discussed. So after that oxidation state, now we already discussed certain oxy acids of chalcogens. These oxy acids of chalcogens are right. These oxy acids of sulfur are basically following type. That is one, sulfurous acid. These sulfurous acids are sulfurous acid. Okay, so sulfurous are 4 type: sulfurous, thiosulfurous, pyrosulfurous, dithionous. Sulfuric are 3 types, that is sulfuric, thiosulfuric, pyrosulfuric. After that all that undergoes 2 basicities. After this one thiosulfuric acid, these are 2 type: dithionic, polythionic. So what is the we already discussed. After this one peroxy acids, these are peroxy monosulfuric acid, Marcel acid. All these oxy acids of sulfur undergoes 2OH. All these oxides of sulfur undergoes 2OH. That OH are depend upon what happen? OH are depend upon basicity. That basicity are depend upon OH group. All these oxy acids of sulfur undergoes sp3 hybridization. Now this is oxy acids of chalcogens. So to be so this is oxy acids of chalcogen. To be continue on next class.